Hey, greetings, summer hour. This is Mickey Stanfield, local school technology coordinator with today's E-Class Digital Learning Day question. How do I record myself so my students can see? And there are so many answers to this. All right, and I'll make another video about using the video note tool in E-Class so that when you create an assignment, I've actually talked about it already, you can record yourself. But sometimes you want to make like instructions for your kids, kind of like I do. You've seen some with the GCPS background on mine. You've seen some with that the William Blake artwork in the background on mine, and those are different computers. So I'm going to tell you what I use. So right now I'm using Camtasia, which lets me blur out pieces whenever I've got some sensitive work. It's the one that I have with my county supplied computer, but you don't have access to it. I had to take a course in the county and be an LSTC to get it. So what do I use when I'm at home and not on Camtasia, like the William Blake artwork? And so here are the three tools I think might be helpful. First one is OBS Studio. It is free open broadcast studio. It's actually built to run a streaming studio broadcast when you have multiple screens and doing stuff, but it does some great screen recording. There's just no editing tools afterwards. So it's just, you got to get it right the first time, but you can add cool pictures in the background like I do. You can add different windows and you can make them come in and out, pop in and out. It's a really sweet little system. It's not too terribly hard to use, but it is a little bit funky to set up and learn. Probably the hardest of the three I'm going to show you today. Our resident expert is Mr. Robertson. So if you want to give OBS a try, because you got some cool pictures you want in the background, etc., definitely can check it out. Here's the website, obsproject.com. You can see it's available for Windows, for Mac, and for Linux. All right. Then what are you going to use? All right. I'm say most of you don't want to be too complicated. All right. Least complicated option, probably screen-cast-o-matic. This is the most popular one among LSTCs in the county. Super easy to use. Teachers love it. I don't use it at all because I don't use Chrome for anything. All right. So this one will install right into Chrome, and you can just hit a couple of buttons and be recording your desktop or a browser tab or just your webcam. Super simple, super easy, probably the #1 choice for most of you. Screen-cast-o-matic. I used to use this quite a bit. Once Jing kind of went away, I went to screen-cast-o-matic. I love it. A little harder than screen-cast-o-matic because you have to install it. You've got to download it to your machine, start it, connect it to your Google Drive, and then start recording. And just like screen-cast-o-matic, which is built in Chrome, screen-cast-o-matic, both of these will put your videos straight into your Google Drive if you want, which makes them super easy for putting over in E-Class. Okay? I'm always willing to help. All right, until next time, this is Mickey signing off.